Welcome to our guide on creating a successful online training course. Whether you're an educator, a corporate trainer, or an entrepreneur, these steps will help you design and deliver a course that stands out. The online world is your oyster, and the knowledge you possess is your pearl. Let's ignite that fire within and get started.
Before we even talk about content, platforms, or marketing, we need to lay the foundation. And that foundation starts with defining crystal clear objectives. What do you want your students to achieve by the end of this course? What specific knowledge, skills, or transformations do you envision for them? Get laser focused. Imagine your ideal student at the finish line of your course. Make them measurable, achievable, and time-bound. Now, let's talk about the heart of your online course, the content. This is where you get to unleash your expertise, your passion, and your unique voice. Think about it. How do you keep someone glued to their screen in today's world of endless distractions? The answer is simple: by creating an experience that's not just informative, but also engaging, interactive, and maybe even a little bit fun. Remember, your goal is to make learning an immersive and transformative experience, not just another boring online course.
With your killer content ready to go, it's time to choose the perfect stage for your online masterpiece, your learning platform. This is where your students will interact with your content, with each other, and with you. Think of it as the online equivalent of choosing the right venue for a concert. You need a platform that aligns with your brand, your teaching style, and the technical requirements of your course. Do your research, explore different options, and consider factors such as ease of use, customization options, pricing, customer support, and integration with other tools you might be using.
Here's a secret. The most successful online courses are not passive experiences. They're dynamic, interactive, and engaging. You want your students to feel like active participants in their learning journey, not just passive consumers of information. Think discussion forums, live Q&A sessions, group projects, peer-to-peer feedback mechanisms, and even gamified elements like quizzes and challenges.
You've poured your heart and soul into creating an incredible online course. Now, it's time to share it with the world. This is where a strategic marketing and outreach plan comes into play. Identify your target audience. Where do they hang out online? What are their pain points? How can your course help them overcome those challenges?
How do you know if your students are truly grasping the material and achieving the desired outcomes? The answer lies in effective assessment and certification strategies. Incorporate a variety of assessment methods, such as quizzes, assignments, projects, peer evaluations, and even self-reflections. Celebrate their successes, provide constructive feedback, and create a supportive learning environment where mistakes are seen as opportunities for growth.
Imagine this. A student is eager to dive into your course but encounters a technical difficulty or has a question that's preventing them from moving forward. How do you ensure they feel supported and empowered to overcome those obstacles? Provide clear and accessible support channels, such as FAQs, email support, live chat, or even a dedicated online forum where students can connect with each other and get help. They deserve a seamless and supportive learning experience.
In the ever-evolving world of online education, the learning never stops, not even for course creators. The key to long-term success lies in your willingness to adapt, improve, and constantly strive for excellence. Regularly gather feedback from your students. What did they love about the course? What could be improved? Are there any emerging trends or technologies that you could incorporate? As a course creator, it's not enough to be passionate and knowledgeable. You also need to be aware of the legal and ethical considerations that come with sharing your expertise online. Familiarize yourself with copyright laws. Ensure that you have the right to use any images, videos, music, or other copyrighted materials in your course.
By following these steps, you can create a comprehensive and engaging online training course that meets the needs of your learners and stands out in a competitive market. The power to inspire, educate, and transform is within your grasp. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your course. Go out there and unleash your inner teaching superstar.